Now I have the 4 biscuits and I want to divide these 4 biscuits among the 2 childs. Okay, so we know that 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4, means each child gets 2 biscuits. See here, this is the 2, this is the 2 biscuit, correct? Now say I have only 2 biscuits. Now I want to divide these 2 biscuits among the 2 childs. So we know that 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, means each child gets 1 biscuit, correct? Now I want to divide, has to be divide 1 biscuit among the 2 childs. So how I divide? If they want equal number of biscuit, then how I divide these 1 biscuit among the 2 childs? So I need to be break it, correct? I need to be break it among the 2 parts, and see here, 1 biscuit is divided among the 2 childs. What is that? And see here, I overlap this. This is the exactly same, correct? Means 1 child get the 1 part of the biscuit and another child get the another part of the biscuit, correct? See here, this is the 1 single whole biscuit. If this 1 biscuit I want to share among the 2 kids, then how I share it? Yes, now I need to break it. I broke into 2 parts. 1 part out of 2, 1 part out of 2 is given to 1 child and another part out of 2 is given to the another child, correct? So how this part we write in a mathematics? See here, this is the 1 part and this is the another part out of 2. How many parts of this 1 biscuit? Yes, 2. So this is called as a fraction. This is the fraction of 1 biscuit. This is the another fraction of same biscuit. So fraction is nothing but the part or part whole, correct? Here the whole is nothing but the 1 biscuit. So this is the parts, and if I overlap this, then these are the same parts of 1 biscuit. So 1 part is given to the 1 child, another part is given to the another child. Then how to write in the mathematics? So how much part will get each child? 1. So 1. How many total parts of the biscuit? 2. So 1 by 2. It is read as 1 by 2. Understood all the students? 1 by 2 means this is the total number of parts of a biscuit, and how much part will they get each? The each child get 1 part of 1 biscuit. So 1 by 2. Okay.